to measure the amount of gas that we are producing in this reaction. We're going to collect it in a graduated cylinder such that it displaces water, and we can see that the volume of water displaced is the same as the volume of gas that we produce. So what I'm going to do is to fill this with water so I can actually displace the water. I'm going to take it off the clamp, and I want to fill the graduated cylinder up with water. There are going to be bubbles in here, so I'm just going to lift the top out a little bit and release some of those bubbles. Might have to do it a few times. And then I'm going to cover the top, or now the bottom, since we're holding it upside down, of the graduated cylinder with my hand and flip it over. And I want to keep the top/bottom of the graduated cylinder below the water level so that when I release my hand, none of the water comes out. I can then put it back in the clamp with enough room at the bottom for me to fit some tubing. So I tighten the clamp. Again, be careful not to bring the graduated cylinder above the water level, or else you'll just lose all your water. And then we can take this tubing, and we're going to bring it underneath the graduated cylinder and up through, such that when the gas is produced inside this flask, it all escapes through this tubing up into the cylinder and displaces the water, so we're able to measure it. And that is how we set up this experiment.